it. I gave it just a quick coat of primer. I made it run. I wiped it off. Sprayed it again with primer. Wiped that off again. It was ugly.
This is actually quite calming for some reason.
Did you know the light that you shine can be seen?
Hello, my name is Nick. This is my little show I like to call Sunday Driver Rides. Thank you for joining me. It is appreciated. And this is Ron. Ron is a 1972 Ford F-150. Well, F100. They weren't called 50s yet then. And you know what? Ron's been sitting all winter. I've had it up at Mom and Dad's at the farm. I want to take it home. I miss Ron. I miss you, Ron. Calm down, Ron. Don't get emotional on me. So, I don't remember the last time I started it. It's been months. Let's see if it agrees with me to start. Come on, Ron, come through for me, buddy. Let's see if it'll start up and we can take it home. And there's some things I want to do to this thing. So I've been itching all winter to get this back home. So let's do it. All right, Ron. I did not disconnect the battery all winter on this thing. The dome light still lit up when I opened the door, so let's just do this. One more. That's perfect. Let's try it. Okay, that's not a good sign. Come on now. Oh, come on, Ronald. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's bad. All right. I got Betty. Save the day. Got it charging up this battery. I checked all the fluids. I mean, honestly, all the fluids look great. So let's see if she can start now, huh? All right. Yeah. Now that light's really bright. See when I close it. All right. Come on, Ron. Let's do this. Oh my gosh, this thing is so good. Did you see that? Is it neutral? Oh my gosh. She's awesome. Keep running. Look at that. Dang, this thing is good. How can you not love this thing? Awesome. Good job, Betty. All right, let's see if I can get her unstuck from the mud here. Oh, okay. Oh, I got water on the tonneau cover. I was like, what's that noise? I thought something just leaked like huge. Oh, that scared me. Dang it. I'm never getting out of this mud. Keep creeping. Yeah, we're not creeping so much. I don't want to rip up the Mom and Dad's yard. Okay, we're out. All right, let's see if we can make it home, huh? Let's go. Well, I got home, no issues. Man, I like this old truck. It's so good. So good. All right, it is a number of days later. We just got back from spring break. Where'd we go? Sunny North Dakota. Where else? Or no, South Dakota. Sorry about that. Got my Dakotas mixed up. Yes, I did hit a junkyard. No, I did not get any videotape. But that's okay. Look what I got. I got an air filter. It's got stuff in it. So this is going to be the air filter for my truck. I've got that really crappy air filter on it. I hate it. So I got this off another 6-cylinder. Now this is like from an 80, I don't know, I'm guessing mid-80s. It's not period correct, but it'll fit. And it looks way better than what I got on there now. So you know what? Let's take a look inside this thing and clean it up, huh? All right, let's see if we can. Ooh. Ew. Yeah, that's not good. That's not what we want. Let's clean that up, huh? All right, short time later, got her nice and clean. Just hit it with a wire wheel for a while and a screwdriver for those tight spots and a bunch of brake clean and paper towels. Here it is. So let's paint it. Let's make it look pretty. I've got plenty of that Ford blue that I painted the engine with, and I've got, and yeah, it's the high temp stuff. I've got some primer sealer. It's not the high temp stuff, but I mean, it's an air filter. I can't imagine it's going to get too hot, but she'll be fine. Let's primer this thing and get moving, huh? Ooh, pretty. Okay, fast forward a bit. I gave it just a quick coat of primer. I made it run. I wiped it off. Sprayed it again with primer. Wiped that off again. It was ugly. And then I just gave it a quick coat. It needs more coats of a blue. But you could see I didn't do a good job getting the oil off it. I got a little fisheye going. But you know what? That's on the back side. Nobody's going to see that. And then too, I mean, it's for Ron. We all know Ron's my old beater truck. So that's okay. But I will. I'll give it another coat. And I'll let it sit and harden up and go from there, right? All right. There it is. All nice and shiny and blue, and actually not bad run-wise, you know. And but you know what? I got some pinstriping paint, and honestly, I feel like kind of doing something silly/stupid to it. You know what? Let's try it. I don't know what I'm going to write yet. Oh, I got an idea. Yeah, if I mess it up, I can always paint over it, right? Day. I got it all painted up the way I wanted, but before I would show you it, I'll show you before and after. So that's what I've got on there now. It's just what came with it. Looks stupid. I'll just say it looks stupid. Anyway, so here's before. Time out. This doesn't fit. It doesn't lay flat. That's a no-no. I need to make a spacer between the carb and the bottom of the air filter. All right. Let's see what I can come up with. All right, I got an idea. I think I'm going to try to put this in the bandsaw and just cut it, and I think it'll fit. I hope so. You know, if I just cut it right there and then it just sits like this, and yeah. Let's see how crooked I can cut this, huh? Well, what do you think? Think that's level enough? Yeah, sure? Okay, let's turn this thing on. Here we go. Look at that. Perfection. All right, cleaned her up a bit. Maybe. I'll be dang, look at that. That fits actually really good. All right. Can I put this on here? Look at that. Look at that. If I tighten that down, it ain't gonna go nowhere. Knock on wood. Yeah, we're trying this. All right, once again. Before and after. As you can see, I had a little fun with it last night. I know some of you Ford guys are gonna be like, found on road, Dad? Yeah, well, it's just me having a little fun with it. I like Fords. You know, there's some Fords I don't like. There's some Fords I do like, just like with Chevy and Dodge. There's some of those I like and some of those I don't. But I did. I think it fits it perfectly just because the truck is, you know, tough looking, you know. So I like it. I do. I'm happy with that. Not bad for just freehanding it too. So I like my little dead guy there. So it does. I think it looks I think it looks cool. I'm super happy with it. Oh, I love it. I love it. Just silliness. Complete silliness. All right. So there it is. I like it. I like it a lot. I really do. It's just that little touch of silliness that I like with my project vehicles that I own. So cool. But I think I'm going to call this an episode. I know this episode was a little shorter than usual, but spring break, just life gets in the way. And that happens at times. What do? You just roll with it. That's what you do. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you can like and subscribe, boy, that'd be sure fine and dandy with me. Thanks again for watching. Take care.